welcome back to my YouTube channel with me, your girl Pelumi. And in today's video I am going to be giving you tips on how to balance many things at once, like how to juggle a lot of things together, how to do many things at once. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe and share, and let's get into this video. Well, as you guys know, I am a YouTuber, of course, as you can see, and I'm also a student at university. I started last month. If you haven't watched my first day of university vlog, go check it out. What are you waiting for? Go watch that right now. And yeah, so I'm a YouTuber, I am a student, I work also. Yes, I'm also working, and I upload content on Instagram. I upload dance videos on Instagram, so you can say content creator. So yeah, somebody asked me how I'm able to balance everything at once, how I'm able to do everything together, like how I stay organized and just do everything together. And somebody asked me, how do you balance your school, work and social life? That's what I'm going to be telling you in today's video, giving you tips on how to do that and how I do that. So watch to the end, stay tuned, keep watching, do not go, so you can get all the information. Okay, and let's start. The number one tip I'm going to tell you today is to set priorities. Order them from most important to the least important. Okay, so when you know your priorities, you're going to know that, okay, I need to get this done first, and then I can focus on other things. So me now, for example, my number one priority is my school right now. Yes, so I make sure I always get all my school stuff done, and then I focus on other aspects, so like my YouTube and then my dance. I'm not saying that YouTube is not important, it is important. So this is where balancing comes in, because I could have had the choice to stop YouTube and just focus on my school. I could have been like, guys, I'm starting school, no more YouTube for you guys, I am done. But no, this is where balancing comes in. This is where you have to know what you need to do. I feel like priorities is just going to put your head in the game. You know, okay, this is my number one, I need to focus on this one. It's not that you're not going to focus on others, you're going to focus on others too, but there's just one that is more important. Yes, just set priorities first. That is what I did. I know that my school, I cannot even, it's not that I'll put all my time on YouTube and then forget school when I know that I need to pass, so it doesn't make sense. So yeah, my school is my number one priority, and I always make sure I get things done for school first, and then I look at the other categories, like other things I need to also do. The second tip is to have a positive mindset. If you keep telling yourself, I can't do this, I can't do this, I can't do this, then you're not going to get anything done. And for balancing, you have to be strong. Like, you need to keep telling yourself, I can do this, I got this. You know, when you have many things together, it's kind of like overwhelming, but keep telling yourself positive things every day to get you by the day, to get you to do what you need to do. So keep being positive, have a positive mindset. That's really going to help you. Sometimes I just feel down, I don't want to do anything, like I don't even want to upload content, even school, I don't want to read. I just tell myself, you got this. I always tell myself, you got this. Like, just little things, little positive things can help you with balancing. So yeah, the number two tip is to have a positive mindset. It's going to get you a long way. So the next thing, after you've set like priorities and like you have a positive mindset, you are ready to go, you're hyped, you're good, you're feeling good, the next thing is to create like time for each of them. Now that I've broken them down into what's important and like the list, you can now set time for each of them. Example, for me, morning time is my time to write notes for school, and then in the nights is when I read for school. You need to know how much time this thing is going to take from you. Like for dance now, it's not going to take me anything. So after I'm done with like some notes, I set like, okay, 15 minutes, I'll do this dance video, upload, good to go. Because my dance doesn't take time, just to dance and to upload it so on Instagram. So yeah, I finish taking my notes, and then I see, oh, I have this little time, I can put my dance into it. So after taking notes, I set like 15 minutes to dance and to upload on Instagram. And then if I see that I'm not doing anything, like let's say I need to upload a YouTube video, if I still see another time that I'm free, I record a video, edit within that time, and then I go back to school in the night. I go back to school stuff in the night. So basically what I'm saying is that have time specifically for each thing. So when you get one thing done, you know that, okay, I still have this little time here, let me put this to my next thing. And this fourth tip is to have a to-do list or like a calendar, anything that is just going to help you organize, like to keep you organized. Yeah, so like me now for my YouTube, I told you guys that I have notes. I've written notes like for video ideas, and then when I do the videos I check them off, meaning I have done them. So yeah, just have a to-do list that is going to help you know what you need to do. You know, when you check something off, you feel accomplished. You're like, okay, I've gotten it done, I can rest now. So yeah, just have a to-do list, a calendar, something that is just going to keep you organized, something that is just going to let you know what you need to do. Yeah, that's going to help you with balancing. Like me now, I have a calendar for school. And I just check like important stuff when things are coming up, you know. That keeps me organized. And for YouTube, I have my notes, which I always check. The 5th tip is to not procrastinate. See, when I tell you I used to procrastinate, like I did not even want to get anything done at all, but recently I've been like doing good, you know. I've been like organized and getting things done. I'm getting things done. So don't procrastinate. That's where the positive mindset comes in, because when you start procrastinating, everything will be piling up, you'll be behind, there'll be misplaced priorities, you'll be doing what you're not supposed to do, what you're supposed to do, you will not do it, so it's just going to be messed up. So you need to like get over that procrastination and say, okay, I need to do this at this time. That is where setting a to-do list also comes in, because when you see your to-do list, you see that, okay, I need to get this done by this time, and you have a positive mindset. At the same time, you're good to go. You just say, okay, I need to do this, I got this. You do it, you check it off, you feel accomplished. You're like, okay, yes, I'm proud of myself for doing this at the right time. You know, don't procrastinate. Do what needs to be done at the right time, so you can have time for the other categories. Okay? Yes. The next tip is to stay motivated. It's going to be tough on some days. Oh, I tell you, I am always tired, I'm always stressed, because you know, I'm doing too many things at once. So just try to stay motivated. Do little things, like take little steps. You don't have to rush. Do it at your own pace. You know, nobody's rushing you. Just find little things that are going to keep you motivated. That could be dancing, listening to music, looking for motivational quotes to keep you motivated. The next tip is to remember why you started. Remember the goal behind it. Remember why you are doing it. Okay, so like for me now, I know the goal behind my dance, why I'm doing dance videos. And for school, of course, my goal is to pass my classes, to get the job I want and everything. And for YouTube, I have a goal also. When you remember why you started, when you remember the goal you are trying to achieve, that is also a way to stay motivated, because you remember, oh, I started for this reason, so I have to keep going. If you want something, you have to keep working hard for it till you get it. So the next tip is to stay focused and disciplined, you know. And what I just said, try to remember why you started. That is going to help you stay focused. It will keep your head in the game. You know that I'm trying to achieve this and I want to get it, so you work hard for it. You work hard to achieve that goal. That's going to keep you focused. Like you're going to tell yourself, no, I don't have time for distractions. This is what I want and I'm coming to get it. So when you just have that mindset, this is where the positive mindset comes in again. So you see how everything is, they're all related to each other. When you have one, you need to have the other one, so everything can work together beautifully. And the 9th one is to take breaks if needed, if necessary. When necessary, take breaks. Don't kill yourself. Don't overwork yourself. I know it's too much work to balance many things at once, which is why you need to rest. I also need to take my advice, because I have not been resting. I'm doing everything at once. I have not rested, so I actually need to take my advice. So yeah, just take breaks when necessary. If you can't do it at a specific time, it's okay, but make sure you now catch up when you feel refreshed. When you feel good, make sure you catch up on what's behind, so that things don't start piling. So guys, that is basically what keeps me organized. That is basically how I balance everything. I know what needs to be done, I do it. I have a positive mindset. I do not procrastinate. I take breaks when necessary and then get back into it, catch up on what I need to catch up on. I have a to-do list to check everything I need to do. I check them off when I have done them. So that's going to actually make you strong. All these things are going to make you strong. When you combine them together, you'll see that you do a good job at balancing. Everything is going to work for you. That is how I am balancing everything, you know, school, work, YouTube, dance videos on Instagram that I create. Those are the tips I have for you guys. They have worked for me, so I hope they work for you. Thanks for watching till this point. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. Don't forget to turn on the bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. So stay tuned for my next video, and I'm going to catch you guys. From me, it is peace and love, guys. Bye.